So now I will be showing you how to use this in different parts of your face. Okay, so like I said, you can use it anywhere on the lip, and the eyelid. You can put as much as you like. So I'm gonna put on my cheekbone. So let me put some here and then pick it up and put it on my cheekbone. See that? You see how this stick did multi steps? It took care of the eyeshadow, the blush, and the lip. My travel girlies, just pack this and you have no problem. You don't have to pack millions of products with you. Now I can't do without adding the shine. Girl, I need to shine. So I pick up the shine. Let's put it on the Yo, you can use brush, you can use foam. Hand definitely works for me. Oops. Do you see that glow? So with the glow, the shine, you can use before makeup or after makeup. You can use these products on your bare skin. You don't want to have makeup on, you can just put it on your bare skin. It gives you that glow. See that? Even without the shine, the enhanced shine, the multi sticks, they will give you the glow too. It's all for my glowy girlies. So now I feel like adding like a little soft pink in the middle of my lips because I love ombre. So let's just add a little. Yep, that was soft pink, enhanced soft pink, and that's it. What do you think? Will you be buying this today? It's just $12.99. Girl, it's big enough to last you. Period.